Subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello friends, Namaskara. Welcome back to Something's Cooking. The process of baking may be very intimidating for a beginner. The measurements, the ingredients you use may seem difficult in the beginning. So today I am here with a basic eggless chocolate cake recipe which may probably spark the love for baking in you. So let's get started. The ingredients we are using for the eggless chocolate cake are 1 cup of refined flour or maida, 1 cup of powdered sugar, quarter cup of cocoa powder, half cup of refined oil, 3/4 cup of curd, milk to adjust the consistency, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, few drops of vanilla essence, and a tablespoon of choco chip, which is optional. Let's get started with making the cake. Take the refined oil in a big mixing bowl. Keep in mind that the oil should not have a strong aroma of its own, like groundnut oil or coconut oil. I'm going to put the powdered sugar into it. Start mixing this thoroughly with a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a wooden spatula for this. Once this forms a frothy consistency, it's incorporated enough of air into it. So let's stop it now. Now moving on to the dry ingredients, let's sieve the maida and cocoa powder together. I found this interesting sieve in the baking store. You can use the ordinary sieve also. Sieving is important because it helps in thorough mixing and avoiding lumps in it. Now it's time to incorporate the cocoa powder and maida mixture and the curd into our oil and sugar mixture. Let's not add the whole thing together. Let's add it half at a time to ensure that it gets mixed well and there are no lumps formed. Let's add in the maida and the cocoa mixture. Half of it. Now I am adding half the amount of curd into it. Always use the curd set at home. If it is a little sour, it is advantage added. It should be at room temperature, not cold. This will give a fine texture to the cake. Mix them well. They are mixed well. Let's add the other half of it. Make it into a smooth batter. I'm finding the batter a little thick. To adjust the consistency, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk to it and mix it well. The right consistency of the cake batter is like that, something like that of a dosa batter. This is the right consistency. Now is the time to put the oven to preheat. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. By the time the oven is getting preheated, I have lined the cake tin. I have taken a rectangular tin which is 9 inches by 3 inches. If you take a round tin, you can take a 6-inch round tin and line it with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, grease the tin with oil or butter thoroughly. Now let's add in the vanilla essence to this. It's important to add the raising agents at the end in an eggless cake because by the time the oven gets preheated, the cake batter might sink. The oven is preheated now. Let me add the baking powder and the baking soda into it. Mix it thoroughly. Let's pour the batter into the cake tin now. Tap it lightly to remove any air bubbles inside this. To make it extra chocolatey, I am adding the dark chocolate chips. I have mixed it with a little maida to avoid the chocolate chips sinking inside the cake. Let me add it over the cake now. Now let's keep this in the oven for baking at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes. The baking time depends on your oven. 25 minutes are over now. Let's take the cake outside and check it. Let's insert the skewer and check. The skewer has come out clean. The cake is done. The cake is completely baked now. Let's allow it to cool before we flip it. Let's flip the cake into the tray now. This cake is ready to eat now. Let's cut them into slices and serve them. The rich, moist, eggless chocolate cake is ready to serve now. If you happen to try it, please tag us on our Instagram page, like us on YouTube and subscribe our channel. Until I come back with the next recipe, bye-bye.